I've been an Amazon influencer for close to a year, and here are 5 things that I wish I would have known when I first started. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I do all things Amazon. I'm an Amazon seller, and I'm an Amazon influencer. And I have just over 700 video reviews, and I did over $4,500 profit in the last 30 days. I've been doing this program for close to a year, and today I want to break down the 5 things that I wish I would have known. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment. And let's dive into the first thing is I wish I would have known about the program sooner. I wish I would have taken advantage of the program sooner. I wish I would have realized how massive of an opportunity was at my feet. And if you guys don't realize this opportunity and how crazy life-changing it can be, like, I need to hit you in the head with a frying pan and wake you up, because I've literally never seen something so good and so easy to make money from the comfort of your home. Like, literally, we are getting paid to grab your phone, take a product that is bought on Amazon or sold on Amazon. You don't even have to have bought the product. You can make a review video, you upload it to Amazon, you leverage their existing millions of customers in traffic every single day. And if they watch the video and they buy the product, you get a commission. Like, it does not get more simple than that. I've literally tried every single model. You name it, I've done it. I've done Shopify dropshipping. I've done affiliate marketing. I've done social media marketing. I've done growing Instagram accounts and trying to be like your actual influencer, building these theme pages. I've done real estate, crypto. I sell on Amazon. Like, I've done it all. And I've never seen something so simple and easy. And so that would be my first thing that I wish I would have known. And one message that I want to get across to you loud and clear is this is the greatest opportunity I've ever seen. Literally. My entire family is doing it, and my entire family is crushing it. And it's so fun to see people thrive and make money by making these reviews. And now it's like this family affair that we're just building this massive empire reviewing products on Amazon. And it's absolutely insane. So I want you guys to realize that this is no joke. It is not a scam. It's not too good to be true, even though it does appear to be like that. But I'm telling you right now, you will regret it if you don't get started ASAP. We don't know how long this program is going to last, whether it's 5 years, 10 years, or 2 years. I don't see this program going away ever, but the profit potential, it could go down in 5 years, 100%. So take advantage of it right now while you have the opportunity. And the second thing is, if you get rejected, do not give up. This is a true story. My first time ever applying for the program, I didn't know what I was doing. I just went and was like, oh, I'm just gonna Google it and try it myself. I got rejected. And so many people are like, oh, well, you need to have tens of thousands of followers and you need to have good engagement. And I was like, well, I have that. I have a TikTok account with 400,000 followers. I have a YouTube account with 70,000 subscribers. I have an Instagram page with 40,000 followers, and I still got rejected. And I didn't know what I was doing, but I did not give up. And I see so many people say, oh, well, I don't have the followers, so I'm not even going to try. Or, oh, I got rejected, so I'm not even going to push forward. Or, oh, this is too hard. I've been at it for 2 weeks and I just didn't get approved and I'm so down on myself. I'll be honest, like, I don't feel bad for you if you've been trying this for 2 weeks and you haven't got approved. Like, I don't know what business you can start where in a matter of a few weeks or a few months, you're profitable. The average business takes 2 to 3 years to turn a profit. And you're telling me after a week or a couple hours of literally pressing a few buttons on your computer and you got rejected, you're going to say, I'm going to throw in the towel and I'm going to be done? No, you do not want to have that mindset. Do not give up. And that would be my biggest message. And for me, I didn't give up. I didn't quit. And I figured out the process. I dialed in the process. And once I figured it out, I got approved immediately and there was no issues. And so that is a huge takeaway and a huge piece of advice that I could give you is do not give up. Don't get down on yourself if you get rejected. And the reality is most people will probably get rejected because they don't understand what Amazon is looking for. And so you need to keep at it. And again, if you guys need help, we have a case study where we have helped 200 plus people get their accounts approved. So that is my second message is do not give up. Don't get down on yourself. And yes, after 2 weeks, you might have to try another 2 weeks. So that's the second thing that I want to talk about. Now, jumping into it, the third thing that I wish I would have known, and I know this because I'm a business owner, but what I've seen across all the Facebook groups, all of the posts on the internet, is so many influencers freak out when commissions are low. They're like, oh, throw in the towel, this sucks, I'm losing all this money. And it's like, well, you're not losing any money. You didn't invest any money to begin with. And that's just business. You're gonna have some days where you make a lot, and you're gonna have other days where you don't make as much. And that's just business. The same rule applies for every single business that you start. You might just crush it one day, and another day you might just suck, and you might not make any money. So you need to have that mindset going into it, is commissions are going to fluctuate. Commissions are going to be up, they're going to be down. And depending on the month, they're going to be better than others. So for example, July, Prime Day, commissions are probably gonna be higher. November, December, during Q4, the holiday season, commissions are gonna be higher. January, commissions are gonna be lower. Less people are shopping. Like, it's just common sense. So do not freak out when commissions drop. That's just the reality of it. That's just business. And the way that I look at it is, okay, commissions dropped. Let's figure out how I can improve, and how during these slower times, how can I make more money? And that is my mindset. And that's the mindset that you guys should have, is, okay, things are slow. What should I be doing? And do not freak out. And I see so many people panicking. I see these on Facebook group after Facebook group of, oh, I just did $100 and now today I only did 20. And it's like, well, $20 was better than nothing. $20 is better than what you were doing 2 years ago when you didn't know about this program. And so for me, don't take it for granted, and just understand things are gonna fluctuate. That's all. And the fourth thing that I wish I would have known is Amazon is constantly changing. I had to learn this early on in my Amazon FBA selling career, of the platform is always changing, new rules are always implemented, new algorithms are always added, and that same rule applies with the Amazon influencer program. There are going to be times where Amazon just randomly turns off bottom carousel. There are going to be times where Amazon just randomly turns on top carousel. There's going to be times where out of nowhere, you're just going to just start raking in these commissions, and you're like, what's going on? And then all of a sudden, they just kind of throttle it back. And Amazon is going in and testing and trying different things. They may show your video for a few days, and then they might not. Then they might show it, then they might not. They're testing, and their main goal is to be as profitable as possible. And so to be as profitable as possible, you have to split test. You have to try different things. And again, I see this in so many groups, group after group, and they're like, where the heck is bottom carousel? Look, what's going on? Amazon's stupid. And now there's 10 videos on top carousel where yesterday it was only 6 and yesterday it was only 4. And like, I don't know what Amazon is doing. And it's like, Amazon is split testing. Amazon is making changes to make them more profitable. And we just have to be a part of that and adapt with Amazon. And so again, don't freak out when these changes happen. Just say, okay, you knew that that was going to happen. Now let's evaluate the situation and let's figure out how we can improve and be better from it. And so again, don't freak out. Amazon is going to change, and you just need to change and adapt as the months and years go on, because you just need to expect that from Amazon. And the fifth and last thing that I want to talk about for you new Amazon influencers is you are going to make money. That is just a guarantee with this program. If you get approved, you start uploading videos, you're going to start making money. It's that simple. But the key is what you do with that money. So with the Amazon influencer program, you're probably not going to scale it to $10,000, $20,000 profit per month. Now, you totally can, but the reality is the typical results from Amazon influencers that I've seen is anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 profit per month. Now, that can be absolutely life-changing, but what can be more life-changing is making $10,000 to $30,000 per month with another venture. So what you're gonna wanna do is take the profits from the influencer program and invest it into yourself and in your business, and grow something in addition to the Amazon influencer program. And this is going to solve a lot of the things that I talked about: the fluctuations in commissions, the worry of Amazon changing, and I mean, the list goes on of the problems this is going to solve. And so what you're gonna wanna do is take these profits and roll them over into, for example, an Amazon FBA business. Again, you don't need to sell on Amazon, but that's just what I do, and that's what I'm most familiar with. You can take those profits, start an Amazon FBA business, and just like me, I started with less than 10 grand and I grew it to 7 figures. So you could do the same exact thing, is take the profits from the influence program and roll it over into literally any business. I don't care, but do not waste it. Take it and invest it in you in your business. Don't throw it into, again, this is my personal opinion, don't throw it into the S&P 500, throw it into the S&Me 500. You're gonna get 100x return as you invest it into yourself and your business, because you'll be able to turn that couple $1,000s from the Amazon Influencer Program into tens of thousands of dollars per month, because you built something inside yourself and in your business. So those are my 5 biggest pieces of advice for a new influencer, and even for an experienced influencer. I see so many people struggle with those 5 things. I hope this opened up your eyes and help you guys understand, first, the opportunity is absolutely insane. Amazon is going to change. Commissions are going to fluctuate, and you just need to adapt and adjust, and then take these profits and roll it over into a business, and you can take it to that next level, and you're gonna thank yourself down the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like these influencer videos and these insights. Again, I've been on this journey for 7 years, and this is just something that I'm very passionate about, and I hope that you guys can feel the passion in me. And if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, share this channel with a friend, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to hear in the next video, and we will see you there.